Ever felt like your brain is a million tabs open at once? Juggling to-do lists, project ideas, random notes, the struggle is real. There are countless productivity apps out there, each promising to be the silver bullet. But what if there was a tool that could not only organize your chaos, but also transform it into something beautiful and functional? Enter Notion. Notion isn't just another to-do list app or a simple note-taking platform. It's a workspace chameleon, capable of adapting to your specific needs. Whether you're a student drowning in assignments, a freelancer juggling multiple projects, or a creative mastermind brimming with ideas, Notion has the potential to become your ultimate productivity command center. So what makes Notion so special? Let's dive in and explore the reasons why this app has taken the organization world by storm. Number 1. Flexibility is king and queen. Notion ditches the one-size-fits-all approach. Imagine a blank canvas where you can build anything. To-do lists, habit trackers, project boards, wikis, even entire websites. Yes, you read that right. The core building block of Notion is the page. Pages are like your digital Legos. You can stack them together, nest them within each other, and organize them into different sections. This allows you to create structures as simple or complex as you need. Need a quick brainstorming space? Throw together a simple page with bullet points. Managing a complex project with deadlines, team members, and different stages? Craft a multi-layered page with tables, databases, and Kanban boards. Think Trello-style visual project management. The beauty lies in the freedom. You're not confined to predefined templates or limited functionalities. Number 2. Information at your fingertips. Imagine a world where all your notes, ideas, and projects reside in a single, interconnected space. Notion makes this a reality. No more frantic searches for that one crucial note you scribbled down on a napkin weeks ago. With Notion, everything is searchable and accessible from anywhere. But it's not just about storing information. Notion allows you to build connections between different pages. For example, link a meeting agenda page to the corresponding project page, or connect a research note to the final blog post it inspired. This web of interconnected information fosters a deeper understanding and eliminates the dreaded information silo effect that plagues many productivity tools. Number 3. Collaboration made easy. Working with others? Notion thrives in collaborative environments. Seamlessly share pages and entire workspaces with your team. Real-time editing allows everyone to stay on the same page, literally, and eliminates the confusion of version control. Leave comments, assign tasks, and track all changes made to a project. Notion fosters a sense of shared ownership and responsibility, making teamwork a breeze. Number 4. Customization is key. Let's face it, a bland and boring workspace can be a major productivity killer. Notion understands the power of personalization. Jazz up your workspace with a variety of cover images, choose from a range of text formatting options, and even dabble with custom emojis. These seemingly small details can make a world of difference in creating a work environment that motivates and inspires you. Number 5. The power of templates. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer potential of Notion? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thankfully, the Notion community is brimming with creativity. A vast library of free and paid templates exists, catering to nearly every imaginable need. From project management templates like Kanban boards to habit trackers, meeting agendas, and even personal finance dashboards, the possibilities are endless. These templates provide a fantastic launching pad, allowing you to quickly get started and adapt them to your specific workflow. Notion. Not a one-size-fits-all solution, but that's okay. It's important to acknowledge that Notion isn't perfect. The learning curve can be a bit steeper compared to simple to-do list apps. Furthermore, the sheer flexibility can be overwhelming at first. There's a risk of getting lost in the weeds of customization and neglecting the actual work. However, the potential rewards far outweigh the initial challenges. With a bit of time and experimentation, Notion can become a powerful tool that streamlines your workflow, fosters creativity, and helps you achieve your goals. So, is Notion the right fit for you? Only you can answer that. But if you're looking for a dynamic and adaptable workspace that can grow and evolve alongside your needs, Notion is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,